Hello guys, welcome to the 16th session of Blazor tutorials for beginners. In previous session, we learned and used to pass parameters from parent control. In this session, we will learn to use child contents that pass from a parent. Let's create a new component, paragraph. Now let's create a parameter for title text and create a property for child content of type render fragment. Note that to obtain child content, we must need to set property name child content. For UI, start with title. If the title is not null or empty, then display it within heading 3. And for child content, just display it under p tag. Here, our paragraph component is created. Now we need to create parent page from which we will use this component. So set routing for this component. And now create paragraph. Pass title text first para. Within this tag, pass some text for the first paragraph. Create another paragraph. Here we will not pass the title text. We will just pass context with text, second paragraph without a title. Let's save and run the project. Now open the page. Here we got title text as a heading and text passed in child content as a paragraph. In the second example, we have not passed a title, so it does not include it. Now let's see what we have learned in this session. To obtain child content from parent component, we need to create a parameter with name child content of type render fragment. We will see more example of render fragment in further sessions. In the parent component, contents are passed like this. So thanks for watching this video. If you have any doubts, please feel free to contact me. Have a nice day.